Okay, let us see what is self esteem today. So, self esteem actually means, until now we saw self worth, and we saw what is meant by unworthiness, and we also saw what are the proofs for self worth is there, and we also came to know about self value. So, in all these things, one common thing is you should know to value your own dreams, you should know to value your own. You should know to respect your dreams, and you should know to value your own how to tell feelings and emotions, isn't it? So when you value your own feelings and emotions, that is called self value. So self value is also inner guidance. When we are so much confused, we don't have any clarity, we have so much of doubts, and we want to do something and we don't know how to do that, instead of going and asking people who are on the outside to us, we are developing a like self conversation within us. So now we are communicating within our higher self, and we also cultivate a habit of listening to our inner voice. That is called self value, isn't it? So you have a deep desire, yeah, you have a wish for a very long time. So you people are not allowing you even to take a step to make that dream come true. So you are in so much desperate state, you are in so much depression that in some or the other how you want to make your deep desire come true, experience that and enjoy that. You don't know what to do. So now you are having a conversation within yourselves, you are telling all your emotions to your higher self. Okay, so now higher self will give you guidance. Okay, so you can go to Google Chrome, read some article regarding there, YouTube is there, you can just browse and know details about all those things. You can know about the universal law, that this your higher self is giving you guidance. Once the higher self gives guidance, you should be a person who's ready to take immediate actions, whatever your higher self tells. Okay, and you're taking action. You need not have to tell this to anybody, you just keep on doing it. Okay, us and then how higher self guides you, same way you take action also. So now according to that higher self's guidance, you took action, and step by step you marched forward, and at last your deep desire came true. How happy you'll feel. Like the same way, 3 4 desires came true. Okay, and now you're so much self confident enough. Okay, now what happens is, now you very confidently know, if I want something, if I want to manifest something, some of my deep desires has to come true, I have to talk with the higher self, and I have to listen to the higher self's guidance and take action, so it will come true. You know all these things. Okay, by now you know all these things. So you are keeping on doing the same things automatically in the public, automatically in front of others. You will stand strong very confidently, knowing this is how universe works. Now the people in the public will see you as if a great master manifestor. How come all his deep desires are coming true? How come he is enjoying life like this? How come he is experiencing? This will give you a boost up in your self image. This will give you a boost up in your self esteem. Okay, this is how you develop self esteem, through your self value, listening to your inner guidance and taking action and making your dreams come true. Automatically, your esteem will go up.